So I just checked out the earthquake and volcanic activity in the world, and I was surprised, since I don't look every day. I had missed this one when it happened yesterday. A 6.2 in the western Mexican area, very close to Cabo San Lucas, Baja California. And then today, which really got my attention, is out here in the Pacific. But you see, the fault line is connected. You wouldn't notice that unless you take a look very carefully. See the fault line here? Connects them. So something is shifting here. And not only that, we have a connection probably with the Mammoth earthquakes, Mammoth Lakes earthquakes. And they're trying to say that it has to do with water pressure. And here, of course, is all this Japan volcano activity connected with earthquakes. But take a look at this. Why wouldn't it all be connected? It will take a while for that to load. Let's just do earthquake Pacific. Do a search on Google here. 6.8, a powerful earthquake. Easter Island evacuated. And here this one says 7.1. Oh, a deadly earthquake hit southern China. Yeah, we're going to look into that also. So, these are very far apart. Very far apart. But they're all around the Pacific Rim. The Ring of Fire, as they call it. Now this is Mammoth Lakes. Here. And here's where the Mexican earthquake took place. And down here is what's going on right now at the moment. It is a swarm of earthquakes. Huge earthquakes. So, it is around Easter Island. There's no tsunami threat, but it's a powerful earthquake, a 7. Okay, so we have the 6.2 to the 7, or some people are calling it, some sources case it's 7.1. Now let's go across here. Across the Pacific, almost all the way on the other side of the world, really, because the Pacific is so huge. It covers almost 80% or so of that whole side of the earth. Not much land, but it is like a ring of land around there. The earthquake in China is 6.0 southern China in an area called Weiyuan near Burma, Laos. So this one turned deadly. They're saying some people died. I don't know how many. So this is obviously everything's very life-threatening and dangerous if you do not stay aware. Of course, the thing is, even though I'm studying this, and this is not predictive, everything that you see here is either happening in the past, it's a record of it, or it's already happening. These maps can't tell you, oh, look, here, there's an earthquake coming in an hour, or there's an earthquake coming later on today. It can't tell you that. Why? I don't know. I guess, earthquake science, seismology, volcanism, it should become more predictive and become useful. I think we should use astrology to do that. Now, the lunar eclipse of the past 48 hours was an alignment of the three solar bodies in the solar system: the Earth, the Sun, and the Moon, with the Earth being in the middle because it's a lunar eclipse. Now, it's incredible to have these alignments, but it's also not that rare. What would be even more important is that we could understand, what does it do? How does it shift the gravitational forces that are occurring on the Earth? That's why we have earthquakes. It's also why weather patterns are always changing. So it's just like a few theories, basic general theories.